Cheese. Okay, I'm gonna let Mommy give it to you. Happy birthday.
Not even phased.
Really?
She's just eating it.
Oh, there it is.
She's like, what are you giving me?
Do it again.
She like wants to torture the child.
Well, let's see if she'll learn. I think she likes it.
She's like, but she keeps eating it. You want some more?
She's like, wow, that's different. It's kind of, the thing is you know, lime's kind of sweet. She's looking at it like, no.
We're gonna put that down. Are you gonna eat it? We're thinking about it.
You're thinking about it. Here, Mommy, you take it back.
Your margarita, baby.
You want the lime?
It's so funny, her face is like, well,
you're gonna like tequila shots.
I really want to put that in my mouth, but
it didn't taste so good last time. Oh, I remember that.
She looks like she's like, I'm good.
She's really thinking about it. That's hilarious.
Some water, wash it down.
Yes, please.